So this video right here is for my geometry students in my honors class. This is what we're working on today. This is a little tutorial how to do it. And for my CP students that want to understand something better, I invite you to So the assignment here is to create two parallel lines, aka a y equals mx plus b for one line and y equals mx plus, and it's going to be, we'll say b1, b2, because they're going to have the same slope. So I want to create two of these lines that are parallel to each other that have a whole number as the distance between the two. As many teachers try to make numbers that come out to whole numbers, I wanted you guys to practice something that a teacher has to be able to do. So I'm going to start off with saying we need a Pythagorean triple. So if we think about how we find the distance between 2 points, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. This point to this point, this is 3, this is 3, therefore this is going to, and this is c, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Square root of 18 is going to be 3 root 2. So I want to create something that is actually going to give me a whole number like this. So a Pythagorean triple here is 4, 3. Squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 equals 5. So I want to create something like that. So I gave you guys options to create other Pythagorean triples besides this one. So I'm going to use this one for simplicity. So first, I just want to start with 2 points. I'm going to start off with a point here for 3, with a point here. So I'm going to say the distance, I already know the distance between them is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. So I know this has a distance of 5. Next, I need to make my two parallel lines. So the parallel lines are going to be perpendicular to this. So first off, what is the slope of this line right here? Well, rise is 1, 2, 3. Run is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 3 over 4. X plus b equals y. All right, for now, I'm not going to solve for b because I already know what the slope of my next lines are going to be. So if that is the slope of this, the slope of my perpendicular lines is going to be negative 4 over 3
x plus b.
From this point, and from this point, I'm going to draw negative 4 over 3. So down 4 over 3, in reverse, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So I can go like this.
This line is perpendicular to that line, and I'm going to do the same over here.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, all set. Now,
I just need to find what are the equations of these two lines. I've now created two perpendicular lines to my original, and I know there's a distance of exactly 5 between them. Now I need to find the equation of this line. So I know that it's going to be this right here. I'm going to plug in this point right here, which is 3, 3. So I am going to do that. And then I'm going to do the same thing for over here. So this is negative 1, 0. So my final two items here are going to be, for this line, I'm going to label this A, I'm going to label this line B, I'm going to label this line C. So C was what I wanted to be the whole number. A is going to be, and B is going to be. And I'm done. I've now created an equation, one here and one here, where they're parallel and the distance between them is exactly 5 units. So I can do this with any Pythagorean triple. The reason I wanted to choose a Pythagorean triple was because I already know that I can use x and y coordinate differences from this point to this point to solve for the distance. And if I do that, then I will have exactly a whole number. And I'm not really clear what other way you could do this, but feel free to share with me if you know in the comments. Also ask any other questions to clarify. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Stay weird.